Hey guys, all right, so this is a continuation of the live, so I will put the link in the description. So in the live is the part 1 of making some flare pants. So I cut out the pieces. The front and the back pieces are pinned together for both legs. So basically what we're going to do is sew the inseam and the outer seams of each leg, and then we'll put them together and sew the center front seam and the back seam and have a pair of flare pants. I'm gonna figure out what I want to do about the waistband. I don't know. I might have that stretchy, let me see, hold on. This is Velcro, so we're not using Velcro. Yeah. I thought I had, oh, these. These is like what goes inside waistbands sometimes to give it that little stretch, if you can see, a little stretch feel. So let me pick a color, because you won't see it anyway, so it really doesn't matter what color I pick. I don't even know what I want to pick. I think I'm gonna go with purple. Yeah, why not? And what I'll do with this is I'll open this. See how tight I want it around my waist, wherever it's going to stop. I'm making high-waisted, so maybe like that tight, yeah, so it could just stay, keeps it in place. And I'll take the scissor, cut it, and this is gonna go on the top of the pants, like one of the last few steps of the pants, and flap over, sew over. I'll show you, but yeah. So now let's get into sewing. Let's actually sew. It's been a while since I have sewn anything. I have an overlock machine. Let me show you. This is the overlock. This is the Brother Lock 1034DX. Let me show you what else. It has some details. It has 4 threads. Overlock. Yeah, I don't know too much about it, but you know, if I look into the instructions and details and things, I guess I would know more. But it does its basic job, which is just sewing up what I needed to do. We could do a little test real quick. I'm on the floor. I need a chair, low-key, but I do have a foot thing. I might use my hand to press on that. I don't know yet. I do have my little bin. I might sit on my bin. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm sitting on the bin. Let's do like a test on this just to see. So you can see. Let's do a little test. Let's turn it on. So it's on a little light. I'll show you again how you know it's on. Light off, light on. Wait a second. What is this? Don't know why that looks like that. That looks like that's popped. The yellow. Oh boy. Oh, now it came out. Let me pull on it. Let's see something. Hold on. Don't tell me I need to fix this machine and I don't even know how to fix it. Hold on. hope this doesn't need a major fix, because now that might require some extra work that I did not plan. So let's see. All right, let's just give this a test run. This is to left. So to put the fabric underneath, because it cuts as you sew to give things a clean cut. Okay, I think we're good. And then you always leave some extra to be safe. So, okay, yeah, the yellow's good. So that's what we're basically gonna do. All right, good. So now let's start doing the pants. Okay, so I finished one leg so far, so I want to see how it looks. This is the front, so this is the left leg. Let's see how it's looking. Oh, it's a little tight. Okay, it's a little tight. Okay. Okay. So then I'll put the other leg. Oh, these pants might be a little tight. It's tighter than I thought, which is okay. Wait, yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I'm excited. Now let me do the other leg. And then let's put them together. All right. So of course I run out of thread, but let's hope this is an easy one to thread. Like, I don't even know how to do this. This one is the blue. So let me see. All right, so can you guys see? Zoom you in a little. Can I zoom you in? Oh no, let me just bring you closer. I have to try to figure this out. So this is number blue. I have to go this way, then go inside here. Okay, the instructions aren't too bad. Then number 8, and then what? Oh, number 8 and then 9 is telling me to do this. Oh, number 9 is press that. It's like a little thing, needle comes out, and it's telling me to. What's it telling me to do? Is it telling me to go through there? It's telling me to go through 2 little things that are over here, which I don't really see how to do that. Oh, there you go. I had to click it more. So it's telling me to go through these 2. I'm a little confused. Oh, I see it. Go through this. Okay, hold on. How am I gonna get the needle through there? I mean the thread. I wish you guys could see. Hold on, let me show you. I have to get the thread through those 2. Hold on, let me point it with a needle. How to get the thread through this. Wait, can you see? There's a little hole right here. This hole and this hole. that hole and that hole. You can kind of see. And then bring it back out and go through this. And my fingers, I need a tweezer or something. Hold on. 1 hour later. So I finally got it. I had to go on TikTok and see someone's video of how to do this because I was so confused. But now I got it. The annoying part was I was in the middle of cutting this, so like the inch of the pant already got cut off, so now this leg might be slightly tighter than it needs to be, and I'm starting in like a weird spot also, so it's like all right, let's try not to mess it up more than I already have. Let me get comfortable and let's see if I can get this right. Oh boy, let's see. Finally got it, guys. I was getting stressed, like, because I feel like my hands was too big to thread it. And I was ready to throw in the towel and say, forget it, I ain't making these pants no more. But I did it. All right, now let's hope these are tight enough. Let's try this leg on. Let's see. Let's see. Or I should say not too tight because I had to take off so much. What the heck? Oh, okay, it's upside down. I was about to say, what's going on? All right, let's put this leg. All right, this one is a little tight. I'm not surprised because I had to take off so much extra. But this is how they're looking. Okay. Okay, I'm just glad the leg is aligned with how it needs to be. Side seam is here. Is it a little off? I think it's good. Okay, side seam is good. Inner seam is good. Okay. So now, let me get a little pose. All right, so now we're gonna take both of these pants and sew them together. So I know what's the front and the back because I put little safety pins on the front piece, so I wouldn't confuse myself. That's the last thing you need. Have matching up, pairing up things and it's wrong and have to redo it. All right, so now I'm at that middle seam and I'm gonna pin along that middle seam for the two front pieces to meet in the front, and then to meet in the back. And then we're gonna sew along this. And then I kind of want to make this quick, not because I'm in a rush. I don't want to run out of thread. I'm low-key running out of the green thread. I do have something to replace it, but that will take another hour to try to replace. So I just want to try. Right now I'm just pinning. I'll show you guys. I'm just pinning. Just pinning them together. So yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this without having to replace the thread. That would be great, but we'll see. All right, once I finish pinning this, I'll show you guys me sewing it together. And then after that, we just have to do the waist with that little in the waist seam thing. This, the little band, waistband. If I even need it, I don't know, we'll see, because now this is so tight, I might be able to just swoop this on and might not need that waistband, but we'll see. And then I need to do the hem, the bottom legs, make sure they're even and the same length. So yeah, all right, let me do that. Let me do this side. I'll be back. Okay, so now we're gonna sew. Let's sew front to back. So yeah, let's sew front to back. And I'm just trying to push those little safety pins I had out the way so I don't end up cutting the safety pin. Wait, I might even remove them because I do not need that getting caught in the machine, these little safety pins. I think I'm gonna just remove them because that's the last thing I need right now. This getting caught in the machine, and then I won't be able to do anything. So let me just take these off. And then I'll know what's the front by putting maybe a pin like over here off to the side. Yeah, I'll do that. But yeah, let's sew front to back. And then this is a tricky spot because this is where the seams meet. So you kind of want them to be going in the same direction in a way. And like just laying flat. So let's see. Want it a little even. Legs. So this is the front and this is the back, and I can kind of tell what's the front and back now. The back has a little more room in the back, like more fabric. So let's try this on. Okay, these actually stay on nice. Hey, let's fix that. Fix that. Okay, these are actually on very nice. The waistband is kind of good. Alright, you know, of course I'm wearing shorts underneath this right now, so that's munging it up. But I could low-key leave it as a raw cut. I don't really have to do anything else to them. the ends. I could leave that raw too, but I might cut that. Yeah, I might cut the ends. But it might be fine just to even it. I might leave the raw cut look. It gives it more self-made. I like it. I like this. Okay, so since I like it like this, I kind of want to show you guys the outfit, like what I plan on wearing for work tomorrow. Let me just show you the whole thing, okay? Because I think that'll be good. Let me show you. Okay, so let me show you guys. So this is the front. I double my pants because it's cold inside my job, so they have the air conditioning blasting. So like, see how this come all the way up? That'll probably be cute with like a crop top, but that's fine. Let me show you the shirt. I have this shirt. I want to make some long sleeve shirts too because, like I said, I'm always cold. I'm thinking like this. Like, I'm thinking I can even tie this. Like, if I was going outside, I would want to look more cuter. I would tie it like this and see how high that go. Wear it to where they be like, whoa, where's the top of her pants? I tie it so tight, they're like, where's the top of her pants? Like, I can still wear it like that for tomorrow as well. If I'm trying to show I'm wearing very high-waisted pants. Like that, and then, hold on. Or, because I'm always so cold anyway, I could bring out the white with the jacket instead of the sleeves. Just hide my sleeves inside the jacket. And it still benefits me because, like I said, I'm always cold. So I'll have the jacket with my sleeve to keep me warm. And I know this is accessory season. Well, for me it is, because I need to start wearing more accessories. I want to maybe wear a necklace, you know, kind of dress it up, you know, feeling myself tomorrow. Let me see what necklace I got. Okay, so I found this necklace. I actually have a lot of these. I could share them too. I don't know if I should sell them. It's like the black and white yin and yang. I want it on the most loose loop. So you can see it's black and white. And I have earrings to go with them. Hold on. These are the earrings. Clamps. If you listen closely, you can hear the crickets outside. Okay. And then I have these hair clips. When I don't feel like doing my hair, like having my afro out, I wear my protective style, which is just a bunch of twists in a ponytail bun. And then I will add little hair clips to, you know, pizzazz it up. See, that's cute. All right, now let me show you the whole outfit. Okay, so this is the whole outfit. Then, oh wait, let me show you. necklace, my earrings, my cute little hair clips. And then, oh, let me move this. And then, but the thing is, I forgot about the shoes. Let me show you. Hold on. It can either be, hold on. It can either be my Nike sneakers or black flats. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me throw on these little socks real quick. My toes are pink. But let me try on either the sneaker or the flat. This is with my sneakers. Sneaker. Could be comfortable walking around work with my sneaker or with the flats. Like either one, it really don't matter to me. I don't even care. Like I wear sneaker make me feel a little taller, and it kind of like sports it up, I guess. Flat kind of makes it a little dressier slightly. If I wear the flat, the pants is on the floor. That's the only thing. I don't want to slip. If I wear the sneakers, it kind of not all the way on the floor. I might have to wear the sneakers because I don't want to slip wearing the flats. So I put the sneakers on. Not getting caught. That's not much fabric. Pull it up a little. And ta-da! This will be my outfit. I don't go to work to dress to impress. I just be on some casual cool, because we really we cannot wear logo brands and stuff like that. So it's like the only way I can think of to spice it up is print. So yeah, we wear solid colors and I add a little print for a little pizzazz. And then I try not to show too much because keep it mindful. Keep it demure. You know? Very mindful. Very classy. Very demure. You know, I don't want to do too much. Just enough. So yeah. So this will be cute. And then now somebody be like, oh, I like your pants. I'm like, oh, thank you. I made them. Get a closer look. Smile. So, yeah. And then I always keep a smile. So, I love it. This is me. So, I love it. But yeah, if you missed part 1, watch my live. And then this is part 2. Okay, it gives me a little motivation to want to go to work. You know, sometimes you need a little something but dressing good makes you kind of feel good. So I feel good. I made this, and yeah, okay, this is my motivation. How long will it last? I don't know. I might get tired after 2 days because work is hard, but gotta keep going. Yeah. But yeah, this is cute. Yeah, this is real cute. I'm proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself because I have not sewn anything in so long. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. And I'm not gonna stop. I got more stuff coming. That's why my ring jewelry bothering me. But yeah. So yeah, let me go eat because I'm hungry now. But yeah, If you stayed this long, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, commenting. Thank you. Like, this was fun. This was fun. I had a great time. But yeah, I definitely want to sew more and do more. Yeah, I guess I can make like a collection now. Yeah, I need to make a collection of my own clothes. Little statement pieces, you know, not too much. Like, I just making little stuff here and there to add to my wardrobe. I already got enough clothes. Just adding little select pieces here and there. So it don't feel like I'm wearing the same thing to work all the time. So, you know, I'm just trying to switch it up. So that's about it. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I'm proud of myself. Ah. All right, let me take it off so I don't mess it up. But, all right, let me go. If you're watching this, I think I might also have another video right after this. I think I want to do a nighttime yoga or like nighttime stretches that can kind of like help decompress and get me ready for bed. So that's what I'm actually gonna do after I take all of this off. I'm gonna see what I can find to do so I can have a good night's rest and get ready for tomorrow at work. So that's about it. And yeah, all right, let me go. I'll be back, guys. And oh, what is this, the necklace? And then what else did I want to say? I don't know, I can't remember now. But I'll be back. All right. I know I'm focused on trying to put this away. Okay, okay. Bye. Bye.